My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Steeler XLM. What's the current price of the Steeler XLM? What is the latest price prediction update of the Steeler XLM? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, first of all, as you can see here, if we talk about the current price of the Steeler XLM, so now the current price is going better. 0.49995 USD dollar is the current price of the Steeler XLM in the market. But otherwise, if we look the pricing is occur in the Steeler XLM, so that is the wrong. As you can see here, that the last 1 hour pricing as a negative, so that's mean that the XLM starts falling down in the last 1 hour, friends. And if we look the last 1 day pricing, so the last 1 day pricing is going positive, and same like that the last 1 week pricing is going negative, friends. So that's mean that the Steeler XLM in the previous day they take a jump, but unfortunately now again the falling period of the Steeler XLM starts now. So let's see, my friends, the price chart. Absolutely, as you can see here, if we look the previous time change, so of course, so absolutely a very biggest jump and very highest jumps occur in the Steeler XLM. But unfortunately they don't continue has jump for a long time, and now they in the current condition they are again falls down. As you can see here, again falling down. Once again the falling time of the XLM starts now. So I hope that this fast continue for a short time, and after a few hours they will again explode and they will again take a jump, friends. Anyways, what's your think? Can they take a jump in the future or not? Please tell me in the comment box. If you look the last 1 day, last 24 hours price in this occur in the Steeler XLM, so the last 1 day, last 24 hours pricing is occur in the Steeler XLM as positive 11.73%. The pricing is positive, and 0.532362 USD dollar is the highest price of the XLM, friends. So my prediction, my target about the Steeler XLM is currently going bad. I think that after a few hours there is again chances to take a jump. In a few hours only and only falls occur in this XLM, friends. What's your opinion? What's your prediction? To share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe APS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.